Well, this is just a couple hours after my first movie. David's probably not going to have school tomorrow. If not for the snow, for the sub-zero temperatures.
They're probably going to cancel school.
David, I told you not to talk, please. So, yeah, it just started snowing real good, and this is supposed to go all night long. And there's a cop, so I should probably put my phone down. Alright, I passed the cop. Pick back up my recording. Not sure how I feel about you holding the phone. I'm not going to crash or nothing. My eyes are on the road, not my phone, but... So, well, there's somebody over there shoveling. That sucks. Snowblower and shoveling. More of that's just on the way. I shoveled the end of my driveway, but that's all I did. The end of my driveway where the snow plows pile up 4 feet of snow. It's a lot of work. And I have to do it again tonight or tomorrow, though. So... David, I told you to be quiet.
Okay.
Yeah, roads are pretty bad. Like I said, we still have lots more on the way. This is just the beginning. More people out shoveling and snow blowing. David, stop it, please. Wish I had a snow blower, but I don't. Anyway, I think I'll just make a few movies throughout maybe today and tomorrow, and I'll merge them all together as one. So... that's it for now. Okay, it's still Sunday, January 5th. This is a good hour and a half or so. Oh my god, that guy's driving a Trans Am. That's a great car to be driving in the snow. I walked out just in time. Wonder if I can zoom in on him. Nice. Yeah. Rear-wheel drive sports car from the 80s. That's the first vehicle I think of when I go out driving in the snow, for sure. Anyway, like I said, about an hour and a half or maybe 2 hours since my last video, and I went ahead and shoveled the driveway because the wife has got to be able to get her car in when she gets home. But hell, by the time she gets home tonight, let's see, it's what, 2 something now? 6, 7, 8, 6. I still got 7 hours to go before she gets home. So she could still get stuck by the time she gets home. Be quiet, David. So, anyway. Every time I want to do a video. David, I'm outside. I'm making a video. I asked you to be quiet. Please do so. Man, if he could only listen. So, yep. Maybe we'll make one tonight. I don't know how well it'll do. Maybe it'll be kind of dark out, but definitely make one tomorrow. See how much we get. Let's see what this looks like. If it'll focus. Yeah, it wants to focus on the trees behind it. Yeah. Snowing pretty good though. Like I said, we're supposed to get up to 12 inches or so. And I'm freezing my ass off because I walked out without a coat to do this, so I'm going back in.